8272. Which statement is correct concerning a thermocouple-type temperature indicating instrument system? A. It is a balanced type, variable resistor circuit. B. It requires no external power source. C. It usually contains a balancing circuit in the instrument case to prevent fluctuations off the system voltage from affecting the reading. The correct answer is B. A thermocouple-type temperature indicating instrument system relies on the principle of thermoelectric effect to measure temperature. It consists of a thermocouple sensor, which is made up of two dissimilar metal wires joined together at the measurement point. When there is a temperature difference between the measurement point and the reference point, a small voltage is generated at the thermocouple junction. 8273. Which statement is true regarding a thermocouple-type cylinder head temperature measuring system? A. The resistance required for cylinder head temperature indicators is measured in farads. B. The voltage output of a thermocouple system is determined by the temperature difference between the two ends of the thermocouple. C. When the master switch is turned on, a thermocouple indicator will move off scale to the low side. The correct answer is B. In a thermocouple-type cylinder head temperature measuring system, a thermocouple sensor is used to measure the temperature of the cylinder head. A thermocouple consists of two dissimilar metal wires joined together at the measurement point. When there is a temperature difference between the measurement point, cylinder head, and the reference point, a small voltage is generated at the thermocouple junction. 8274. What basic meter is used to indicate cylinder head temperature in most aircraft? A. Electrodynamometer. B. Galvanometer. C. Thermocouple-type meter. The correct answer is B. In most aircraft, cylinder head temperature is indicated using a thermocouple-type meter. A thermocouple is a device that generates a small voltage when there is a temperature difference between its two junctions. In the case of cylinder head temperature measurement, the thermocouple is installed near the cylinder head, and the voltage generated is used to indicate the temperature on a specialized instrument. 8275. Which of the following is a primary engine instrument? A. Tachometer. B. Fuel flow meter. C. Airspeed indicator. The correct answer is A. A tachometer is a primary engine instrument that indicates the rotational speed of the engine in revolutions per minute, RPM. It provides crucial information about the engine's operating speed and is used by pilots and technicians to monitor and control the engine's performance. A fuel flow meter, on the other hand, measures the rate at which fuel is consumed by the engine and provides information about fuel consumption. While important, it is not considered a primary engine instrument. 8276. A complete break in the line between the manifold pressure gauge and the induction system will be indicated by the gauge registering. A. Prevailing atmospheric pressure. B. 0. C. Lower than normal for conditions prevailing. The correct answer is A. When there is a complete break in the line between the manifold pressure gauge and the induction system, the manifold pressure gauge will no longer receive pressure readings from the engine's intake manifold. As a result, the gauge will indicate the prevailing atmospheric pressure. This is because the pressure inside the gauge will equalize with the ambient atmospheric pressure in the absence of any connection to the engine's intake system.